It saves you a lot of space.
This bathroom's really nice.
Wow, huge.
It's really big.
This is awesome. You can take care of my jacuzzi dance.
Like you can take a jacuzzi.
That would be wonderful.
I really like the shower. It's big. It's got the glass shower feel. I really like that.
What do you think overall?
It's got a lot of things I'm looking for. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's got hardwood floors, a very open floor plan. And I really love the appliances, but the countertops are just not like. Price is one thing I'm worried about. I guess right at the top of my limit.
Now, the other thing that you have to take into consideration, though, is the condo fee.